Stress, trauma, and negative emotions can create blockages in our chakras, disrupting the flow of energy throughout our bodies. Each chakra is linked to specific emotional states. For instance, a blocked heart chakra can lead to jealousy and bitterness, manifesting as chest tightness. The throat chakra, when blocked, makes it hard to express ourselves, causing sore throats or neck pain. Confusion and overthinking can stem from a blocked third eye chakra, often resulting in headaches. Meanwhile, a blocked root chakra can trigger insecurities about our basic needs, leading to physical issues like arthritis. Understanding these connections is vital for emotional and physical well-being. Healing these blockages can transform our lives, bringing balance and clarity. Emotional causes of chakra blockages can include stress, trauma, and negative emotions. Chakras are energy centers in the body that are associated with different physical, emotional, and mental aspects of being. When chakras are blocked, energy can't flow through them fully or in balance with other chakras. This can lead to emotional stress, physical ailments, or a sense of disconnection. Here are some examples of chakras and the emotional causes of blockages. A blocked heart chakra can lead to feelings of jealousy, bitterness, or difficulty trusting others. It can also manifest as physical signs like chest tightness or respiratory issues. A blocked throat chakra can lead to difficulty speaking up, fear of judgment, or feeling misunderstood. It can also manifest as physical issues like sore throats or neck pain. A blocked third eye chakra can lead to confusion, lack of clarity, or constant overthinking. It can also manifest as physical issues like headaches or sinus issues. A blocked root chakra can lead to feelings of insecurity about finances or basic needs and well-being. It can also manifest as physical issues like arthritis, constipation, and bladder or colon problems. For more details, guidance of meditation, transformation, enlightenment, Kundalini awakening experience, learning chakra healing balance, contact Dr. Surendra Singh for a psychosomatic well-being spiritual health specialist, spiritual yoga therapist. Healthy Happy Life Coach, Divine Life Solutions, India. WhatsApp 0898 983 2149.